on, sing your song. 5 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. The mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. So which monkey fell off? Yeah, looks like... Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Looks like Curious George fell off first. Oh, thank you. I got, yeah, 4 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Which one fell off? Which one fell off?
Mommy.
Yeah, I am your mommy. But which monkey fell off? Oh, a hat fell off. Okay, 3 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. Okay, so which one fell off? Are you acting it out? Are you the monkey that fell off? Which monkey fell off?
That monkey's voice.
Yeah, heart monkey fell off. 2 little monkeys jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And military monkey fell off this time. One little monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Mama called the doctor and the doctor said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
More time.
It's okay, he's stuck. He's stuck, that's alright.
More.
And Fox is the last one to fall off. Yay! Yay, clap for yourself. You finished the song. You clap? No? Want to put them all back so you can do it again?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.